Tuesday's Tips and Tricks. Today I'm going to be teaching you a really fun jump called the Calypso. It's one of my favorites, so I hope you enjoy it as much as I do. Let's get started. Alright guys, to start this jump, we're going to do a forward-facing tendu, and we're going to go into a high-low shinny. So you're going to go high and low, bringing those feet into a fourth position. You're then going to transfer your hips to the opposite corner, extending that leg out in front of you, and your back leg coming up into an attitude, cross in front, and pivot back into your tendu. You want to make sure when you're in that jump, your arms are in an L, and you release that head to look back up at that hand. Alright guys, let's go ahead and try this. So starting in that tendu. Alright guys, that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed doing that jump with me. Make sure you check back next week for more tips and tricks.